Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Food. Although we take supplements, eat oranges, and try to keep warm, many will end up getting sick this month. Garlic has many health benefits, and besides boosting the immune system, it fights the common cold. Here's a restorative recipe that is very tasty plus so comforting, and it's my garlic soup. Made with delicious ingredients and lots of garlic, this creamy, soothing recipe is perfect for this time of year. So let's get cooking. The first step is to roast 3 large heads of garlic, which is about 30 to 35 cloves. I use one of my oven methods, but there's more, and also a couple stovetop methods. So check out the link on your screen. When they've been roasting in the oven for 15 minutes, we'll go ahead with our recipe. In a large pot, because later on we'll be using an immersion blender, we'll add clarified butter as well as olive oil. We'll set the heat on medium-low, and when it gets hot, we'll add finely chopped yellow onions and stir to coat before adding 10 large cloves of garlic, peeled and roughly chopped. We'll season with ground sea salt and let the vegetables sweat for 15 minutes, stirring frequently. When time is up, we'll add 2 cups of cubed potatoes. I'm using Yukon Gold. And we'll crack some black pepper. Actually, I use mixed peppercorns. We'll now pour in 4 cups of chicken broth, stir to combine, increase the heat to high, and bring it to a boil. When it gets there, can you see anything? We'll reduce the heat to medium and set our timer for 15 minutes. When the cooking time is over, we'll add our roasted garlic cloves from the 3 heads. By the way, they smell fabulous. And give a quick stir. Next, we'll season with herbe de Provence, and to make it from scratch, click on the top right corner of your screen. Followed by hot paprika, then some salt and pepper. We'll also add freshly squeezed lemon juice, which will brighten up the soup nicely. Of course, we'll stir until everything is blended and let it simmer gently for 5 minutes. And a few minutes later, we'll stir in heavy cream, although half and half is another option. And when it comes back to a simmer, we'll cook for 5 minutes. Next, we'll blend the ingredients until the mixture is smooth, using an immersion blender. If you don't have one, use a regular blender, but work in batches, and make sure to put a towel over the lid when processing. When this is done, we'll add some cooking sherry and mix it in. We're pretty much done, but let's not forget to taste and adjust seasoning if needed. We'll spoon the soup into warm bowls, garnish with my herb garlic parmesan croutons, and sprinkle on fresh chopped parsley. And my friends, this is our garlic soup. Loaded with great ingredients, this is a recipe that's not only healthy, but delicious as well. It's a tasty way to boost your immune system. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!